In Roswell, New Mexico, Dr. Akbar Ali is making an impact far beyond the operating room.
Take a deep breath. Good.
Dr. Ali helps train student doctors by giving them real-world experience in patient care and what it means to serve a community.
As a student, they're learning a lot of different things from the preceptor, right from the beginning, how to introduce themselves to the patients, how to get information of the patient, how to examine the patients, and get information that are associated with the patient care.
And for him, the mission of medical education is also personal. His daughter, Dr. Sidra Ali, who is a Burrell College alumna, is also following in his footsteps.
My daughter, Sidra, she's a graduate of Burrell. Very smart, hardworking person. She joined, I think, second or third class for the Burrell, and she did great. I'm proud of her. After finishing, she decided she wants to become an OBGYN.
Dr. Ali hopes more physicians will consider becoming preceptors and helping prepare the next generation of doctors.
I think Preceptor is a great opportunity for a physician like me. I think it's just my honor to be a part of the Burrell. It goes both ways. I mean, learning from them and also teaching them definitely help us to keep up to date.